Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show, guys. Welcome. Thank you very much for watching my videos, all right? Today, I'm gonna make delicious food, all right? I'm gonna show you exactly what I have here and what I'm gonna make it, all right? Today, I'm gonna make it French onion soup. All right, guys, French onion soup, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. I'm gonna show here exactly what I have, all right, to do this delicious French onion soup, all right? Look how nice it looks. Very colorful. That's when the color and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. Okay, I have here, 6 cups of chicken stock. I have 3 cups of beef broth. I have another 3 cups of chicken broth. All right, guys. Also, I have 1 cup of white wine to bring the flavor together, guys. All right. Also, I have 3 large Spanish onions. Also, I have 2 large red onions. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of thyme. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use, all right? So I have 1 teaspoon of flour. Also, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. You need 1/4 cup, all right, guys? You don't need, you cannot have just like 3 tablespoons, all right? You have to cook the onions, all right, and the garlic, all right? So also I have 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 2 bay leaves, all right? Also, I have 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Also, I have 6 cloves of garlic. Also, I have 2 different types of cheese. I love to make my French onion soup with Gruyere Cheese, all right? And I like to do with Provolone Cheese to bring the flavor together, guys. All right. Also, I have here Italian bread. Also, you can do French bread. You can do whatever you want, all right? But I'm doing this time with Italian bread, all right? And also, would you like to cook with me? All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. All right, guys, let's go. All right, I have my pan here. All right, I'm gonna put here high. All right, easy high. All right, next step, I'm gonna need my olive oil. All right, that's my olive oil. Very good. All right, so now I'm gonna need my olive oil to get ready. I see you very shortly. Welcome back. All right, my next step is gonna be my garlic. All right, very good. Stir a little bit. All right. Very good, put lowered. Go down. All right. All right, so my garlic is ready for the next step, all right? So my next step is gonna be my onions. All right, very good. All right, it's a lot of onions there. Good. You want to stir this very well, and you have to let this cook not well done, all right? So you have to let this cook a halfway done, all right, before you go to the next step, all right? So let's cook this, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. I forgot to put my butter. All right, guys, I have 1 stick of butter, all right? So, but that's all right. I catch just on time, right? So 1 stick of butter. Very good. All right. All right, so let's cook these babies. All right, I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. My onions is cooked. All right, you don't want the onions get like a brown color. All right, don't overcook. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my chicken stock. Just pour slowly. Ah, it smells so good. Smells very good. Right, stir a little bit. All right. So my next step is gonna be my beef broth. That's when the color and the flavors come together. All right. Very good. Stir a little bit. My next step is gonna be my chicken broth. All right. Very good. Stir a little bit. Very good. My next step is gonna be my white wine. My next step, it's gonna be my thyme, my black pepper. All right, color and the flavor comes together. And my flour, my salt. If you guys need more salt, just add it. All right. My bay leaves. My Worcestershire. Very good. Now stir it. Very good. So now let cook in medium high. All right. See you guys in a bit. All right. Time to check. Good. All right. Did not start to boil yet. All right, but this has to be cooked. Well done. All right. So now my soup is cooking. All right. So now it's time for the bread. All right. The bread you want to cut this way, not this way. All right. So not too thick, not too thin, all right? Medium size. So I'm gonna need 12 pieces. This is one of the best recipe you guys can have, all right? If you want a good food, all right? You need a very good recipe, guys, all right? So, there you go, very good. All right, this is my bread. Okay, what you're gonna do is you just lay them in the tray. What you're gonna need is, you're gonna put the olive oil, right? Not too much, just a little bit, just to brush, enough to brush all these babies, all right? So, you get like that. And let's brush these babies, all right? So the flavor and the color comes together, guys, all right? You don't have to do both sides, okay? Only one side. It's almost done. It's looking good. All right, I put just enough oil here. Very good. Very good. All right? You don't want to toast these breads, all right? You just need to warm up, all right? That's enough. So you put these babies here. Very good. And that will be right there. All right, time to check. All right, my bread is ready. All right, let me take my bread. Very good. I took some off for tomorrow. All right, so I have 6 there. So, get that one. All right, let's start this. My soup is ready. Very good. It has been cooked for 1 hour. Very good. Smells so good. It smells onion soup. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, so now let me bring it closer. All right. So now what you want to do is, all right. All right, guys, it's almost ready. All right. The soup looks very good. It smells very good. All right. Try not to make too much mess. All right. So now, what you need to do is 1 piece here, 1 piece there, 1 there. Very good. All right. If it's too big, just push like this. Okay. A piece like this. Very good. Now, can you show the maybe very close? All right, guys. Now it's time for my cheese. All right. This is my Gruyere cheese. All right. You put 2 pieces. Gruyere cheese. Put 2 pieces each. All right. 2 pieces. Oh, this Gruyere cheese, they are very good, delicious. You guys have to try that, all right? Mix both cheese, okay? Now, this is my provolone cheese, guys. All right, provolone cheese, you just put in the edges also, all right? Put 1, 2, 3 each. Keep putting the size like that. Size. This is very good. I love to see the cheese melting the side. All right, good. All right, very good. My oven is preheat already. All right, for 400. All right, so you want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. I see you very shortly. Oh my God, I forget to check. Time to check, guys. All right. Wow, it's looking good. It's looking very good. All right, it's getting there. Hey guys, I'm gonna let these babies cook for 5 more minutes. All right, and I will be right back. Hey everybody, all right. Woo! All right, guys. Final product. All right, look how beautiful it looks. It smells so good. It smells all over my kitchen. All right, you guys have to try this. All right, I'm sure you guys are gonna be happy today and forever. All right, so let's try this. I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. All right, take your time. It's very easy to make. All right, so let me put this on my plate, because this is gonna be my dinner. All right, very good. It's very hot, very hot. So I have to try very slowly. I'm very excited, hungry. All right, I'm hungry. All right, guys, the cheese, whoa, that looks good. That looks very good. All right, so let me see. All right. That's the cheese, and I'm gonna dip to the sauce. All right, a little bit more. Whew. Oh, look at that. It's melting. All right. I have to take very careful. Ooh, so another one piece is melting here. Oh, guys, really, you guys have to try this, all right? It's delicious. It's melting all over my mouth. I'm telling you, I go to restaurants out there. I'm telling you, good restaurants, all right? It's not even near, all right? The flavor comes right away in your mouth, all right? I'm gonna take another bite. Sorry, guys. I always say, guys, and I'm going to repeat again, right? You have to try this recipe, right? I'm sure you're going to be happy today, and forever, all right? You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.